Hello guys, I am Laprashar. So today I am here with the problem description of the first type of problem in the biweekly contest 59 of the leet code, which was held today. And in this video I am just going to discuss the problem description and the problem what it is asking, and in the next video I will be discussing about like how I solved it and what could be the best possible solution for that problem. So now in this problem, this is the 1974 fourth problem of this leet code, and in this problem there is a special typewriter is given to you with the lowercase characters from A to Z, which is arranged in circle, and pointer is given to you which is initially pointing to character A. You can see this is a wheel where there is a pointer which is pointing to A initially, and in the next case what you have to do, at each second you may perform one of these operations, and one of these operations and both of these operations, I should say, both of these operations will take 1 second. So you can move the pointer one character either into the counterclockwise, that is anti-clockwise direction, or into the clockwise direction. Second one is the type of the correct type of the like you have to type the character also. So that typing will take 1 second, and these are the two operations you can do. And you are initially given a word, and you need to return out the minimum number of seconds to type out that characters in the word. Initially what is given to you, let me summarize. First is the wheel, initially where the pointer of that wheel, let's say it is pointing to A, and it is also given into the problem description. You can see initially pointer is given to A. You have to make this word, let's say the word is ABC, which is given to you, and you can move this pointer either into the clockwise direction or into the anti-clockwise direction, and you need to make the word in the minimum possible time, or the time will be wasted into these two operations. One of the operation is by moving the pointer, and second operation is by typing the character. So for example, if you want to go from A to B, then from A to B one shift will be required, so one time will be required for from going to A to B, and one time and 1 second will also be required for printing it onto the screen. So this is how you can consider this as the this test case as the example. You can see that 1 second is required for printing as well. So this is the problem description. In the next video I will be